Ever pondered on the power of your emotions? Or how your feelings could be the hidden key to unlocking your deepest desires? Welcome to a journey into the heart of Neville Goddard's famed book, Feeling is the Secret. The title itself reveals a profound truth. Goddard posits that your feelings hold the key to manifesting your deepest desires. He takes us on an exploration of the human psyche and how our emotions shape our reality. At the heart of Goddard's teachings is the belief in the law of assumption. This law suggests that you become what you believe. Your beliefs and feelings about yourself and the world around you shape your reality. It is the cornerstone of Goddard's philosophy and the main focus of Feeling is the Secret. Goddard further delves into the power of sleep and its role in manifesting our desires. He believes that the state of mind as we drift into sleep has a significant impact on our subconscious. The feelings you harbor as you fall asleep are the ones that seep into your subconscious and shape your reality. Another crucial aspect of Goddard's teachings is the concept of revision, the act of revisiting past events and altering them in your mind's eye to fit a more desirable outcome. By changing the way you remember your past, you can change how you feel about it and, by extension, change your present and future. Goddard also emphasizes the role of faith, not religious faith, but faith in oneself and one's desires. He urges readers to have complete faith in their desires and their ability to manifest them. This faith, coupled with the right feelings, is the recipe for successful manifestation. Feeling is the Secret is an invitation to delve deeper into your emotions and harness their power. It's a guide on how to use your feelings to manifest your desires and shape your reality. In summary, Goddard's teachings in Feeling is the Secret revolve around the power of feelings, the law of assumption, the importance of sleep, the concept of revision, and the role of faith. He teaches us that our feelings are the key to our reality, and that by controlling them, we can manifest our deepest desires. Remember, according to Goddard, you are not a puppet of fate, but a master of your reality. Your feelings are your secret weapon, your magic key. Use them wisely, manifest your desires, and shape your reality. So ask yourself, how do you feel today?